Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to make a text box transparent in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and let's go to our website editor. So from here, just click Edit Site and it will automatically open in a new tab. I already have my tab open right here for my website editor. So from here, for example, I'll just add a blank section, and you can add a text box in two ways. So for example, I'll click Add Elements, and then I will add a button. So for example, I'll add a normal button right here like this one. And then this is basically a text box if you don't add any links for this button right here. So you can go ahead and change the text if you want. So I'll say text box, and then we basically already have a transparent text box right here, since the background color of this button is the same as my section. But for example, I'll change the design right here, click Customize Design, go to Background Fills, and then you can change the color of this button right here for your text box. So for example, like that. And then if you want to make the text box transparent, you can just adjust the opacity of the color. So for example, I'll choose 0%, and as you can see, the button for our text box is now completely transparent. But if you want to have some kind of color left, we can just adjust the value of our opacity right here. And then what we can do is that we can change the color of our background. So for example, black or gray or this blue color. So it really depends on your preference. But as you can see, we can just adjust the opacity right here so that our text box is more transparent. And then another way that you can add a text box is by adding container boxes. So just click box and then choose a box that you want to use. So for example, I want to use this one, and then I'll just adjust the size, and then I can just add a text right here. So just click text, go ahead and choose the text that you want to use. So for example, I'll add heading 1, and then as you can see, you will see this highlight right here that says attach to box. So just release the text and then it will be added to our box right here. So if you drag the box, the text also follows since it is already attached right here. And then now we have our text box. Then you can go ahead, change the color of your text if you want, and then you can also change the text that is in here. So for example, I'll say text box again, and then we just need to click the box and then click change design and then click customize design. Then we will go here to fill color and opacity, then just do the same thing. We can just adjust the opacity right here, or we can also apply some kind of glass effect, but the method is still the same. So you just need to change the opacity of the text box so that you can make it more transparent. And then you can also change the color right here if you want. And then that's basically it. So that is how we can make a text box transparent in Wix. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.